smart PDLC film transforms glass with the flip of a switch, offering instant privacy. Today, we'll show you the key steps for a professional installation.
The foundation is a perfectly clean surface. Thoroughly clean the glass with isopropyl alcohol. Any dust will lead to visible bubbles. Handle the film by its edges. Use the hinge method. Peel back a small section of the liner, align the film perfectly, and use a squeegee to adhere it while gradually peeling the rest.
Work methodically from the center out. Your goal is to push all air and solution toward the edges for a crystal clear result. This is the smart part. Connect the film's bus bars to the controller. For permanent wiring into mains power, we recommend using a certified electrician for safety.
Once powered, pair your controller. You can now control privacy with a wall switch, remote, app, or voice command via smart home systems.
And that's it. With careful preparation and precision, you can enjoy dynamic privacy and modern style.